The second gen Cummins has always been one of my favorite kinds of trucks. They're simply perfection. I love everything about them. Almost. The second gen Cummins was made in 1994 all the way to 2002. That being said, the interiors on these trucks are very outdated.
Just smash the shit.
That's why I decided to take it upon myself to spend an ungodly amount of money to put a custom Lamborghini style interior in my second gen Cummins. Today we answer the question, how did it turn out, how much did it cost, and would I do it again? The interior shop is 2 hours away from my house, so I called my buddy Brandon over to haul the truck home for me. But my trailers were dead because it's been 0 degrees outside here, so we had to jump in. Hello, your truck's massive now. What the f? That's kind of insane.
PayPal's broken.
PayPal's broken?
Right there, but my money is not available.
Well, I just got sent my like 30K that's been stuck in there for like 2 months. No, 6 months. Alright, so this thing don't work. Oh, it goes down.
Hydraulic. Power of fluid dynamics is insane. If you put them on backwards, it charges faster.
Is that how that works?
Yeah, if you don't learn that.
Boop. Aha.
That actually works very good.
The only trailer that this truck can haul now. Keep her coming. That is way the f off. Alright, stop. Hold on. Perfect. It was tweaking.
Needs airbags.
Yeah, it needs a lot of things. A new home. You just finished it. You already want to sell it? You're thinking about lowering it? Yeah. As you just finished a lift kit? That doesn't even make any fucking sense. That is, I don't think that's how you do that. There you go. Are we?
This thing comes off the truck. Last thing I want it is to be tied to my truck.
So we lose my trailer.
This trailer falls off. I'll be very upset my tailgate's gone.
We're going to look at Lamborghinis today, so I guess a trailer isn't really that important. I just called Mike, you know, from Poland, because he's like the orchestrator of like my custom interior that's going in my second gen. I was like, all right, the trailer's loaded up. What time you want us there? He said, dude, my flight don't land until 8. I said, dude, I'm going to pick up my truck, whether you're there or not. He's like, oh, okay. Can you at least send me your reaction so I can put in my YouTube video? After hooking up the trailer to Brandon's truck, we started heading towards Chicago, but we got interrupted by, I'm pretty sure, the president rolling down the same highway as us.
What the hell is happening? Hold on.
I'm actually really confused.
Wait, it won't focus. Come on, come on, come on.
Like, I understand the blue truck's coming back, but like, we did not need this many cops.
I mean, there's like at least 300 cop cars. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Brandon's calling. Hold on, should he answer?
It has to be somebody very important. Oh my god, it keeps going. Rollers of Brandon's truck next to all that. We got some very rare footage of Brandon's truck next to a cop car without him getting pulled over. Then we decided to make a pit stop at my buddies over at Chicago Motor Cars.
It's a sign. They put this one by the door for a reason.
They definitely put this one here for me. I got the bright idea of checking out some actual Lamborghinis. So then later in the day when I got to sit in my second gen, I could compare an actual Lamborghini's interior to my brand new custom interior. Now we ended up filming a whole nother video at the Lamborghini dealership. I may or may not have bought a new car, but that video will be uploaded at a later date. Comment down below if you guys want to see that video.
Best out of 3. I hope it explodes.
After messing around at the Lamborghini dealership for a couple hours, we finally arrived at the interior shop to take delivery of the second gen and finally see it in person. We haven't been over here in a while. The neighbors are gonna be pissed. What's up? Long time no see. How are you doing? I like the fur coat. We just went to look at a Urus.
Really?
To match you guys, yeah.
I can't say that I love the Urus.
You don't like it?
I'm good. I'm good.
Alright, let me get first peek. Is it unlocked?
Yeah. We'll let her look. Did you have fun putting the interior together?
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah? Good time?
You see the leathers right there? I hate them, man. I don't want to see anymore. Hi, Ivan.
Wait, no, look. I want
to see it. Can't look?
So good.
I'll let Brandon get his.
It looks amazing.
Oh, hold on. I want the first rip.
Yeah, get in there.
Gotta take the shoes off. Holy fuck, dude.
Sorry, I hate to interrupt this video, but we have to tell you guys about this dual giveaway we're doing for this weekend only. Oh, sorry. So we got GFP21 here, and I was sitting here thinking, how can we make this giveaway even better? I mean, we're literally giving away this brand new 2022 Ford F-250 Platinum that we call Blue Balls, sitting on a 12-inch PMF lift with tons of chrome plating, 28 by 16-inch JTX forged wheels wrapped in 38 Fury tires, all color match Atlas blue, big ass cowl hood, fully loaded platinum leather interior with massage seats, and this truck comes with $20,000 cash. What could you possibly add to make this giveaway even better? I know. How about a color match Daytona 190 pit bike? Now, if you guys don't know about the 190s here, it's basically the same size as like your KLX 110, but it has a 190cc motor. The bike is low-key kind of terrifying, and I'm pretty sure it'll gap my 450. From now until Sunday at midnight, every dollar that you spend at shopgp.com, whether you buy a hat, a t-shirt, a hoodie, a keychain, a sticker, anything on the site, gets you entered to win this custom Daytona 190 pit bike, as well as blue balls and $20,000 cash. Listen, you guys have been supporting my brand like crazy lately. It has grown way faster and bigger than I've ever imagined it could possibly be. So the least I could do is give you guys this badass pit bike. I mean, come on. Who doesn't want to roll around in that truck with this pit bike in the bed? You'd have to be crazy. But this dual giveaway is going to be over before you know it, so click that link and get entered before it's too late. So let's everybody. Love you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Is it cool?
It looks so good.
Don't look yet.
Okay, I won't look. I won't look.
Let me see that phone. Bro.
Wow.
Is it a Lamborghini or a second gen?
I forgot what we got.
Okay, are you ready?
I guess.
You need the leathers? It's right there behind.
Oh my god.
Can you hand me a shoe?
Yeah, I can give you some shoes. There you go.
If I jump down, I might get my feet wet.
Oh my god. Wait, I gotta see the seat.
Isn't this crazy?
He's covering up the most important part.
It is so nice.
Holy cow.
I didn't even see this.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
I'm shocked.
This is my truck? What the
I'm-
heck? I'm blown away. Dude, okay, so literally the seat belts last time looked like a raccoon was
Oh, they
chewing
were
on them.
so bad.
They're so bad. He just finished putting in the seat belts today. I wish it wasn't so tall so you guys could actually see up inside there. The seats literally look like it's out of a Urus.
Here, get in there. I'm gonna bring the ladder to the other side for me.
Oh my god.
Dude,
Look at the dash. That's gonna be the nicest second gen dash ever. You got it, buddy? You got it?
Second.
Second gen.
second gens do this. My big truck does it too.
Yeah, you have to like pull it to one side. Don't break it. It doesn't take force. It's
There's
okay.
a lock, you can hear it. My
Yeah.
truck does the same thing.
Oh, there it goes.
There you go.
That. Oh, wow, that's really nice.
Bro.
This is like a brand new truck. Oh, wait, I forgot we did that too.
Oh, it's got stars on
your
it.
fingers.
Yeah, my big truck needs a
To change the color, you have to start the car because they're not changing color.
Bro.
I don't even want to start it. You'll remember that it's the second gen and not a Lambo. That's crazy. Oh, you even did this too? Holy cow.
This does not look like
This is not like the same truck at all. Holy cow. You did so good on the dash. Like, that looks factory. That's amazing. Yeah, you had to take it out.
It's a horrible because there was someone did the radio.
Mm-hmm.
They put a new one. They broke everything.
Ivan explained because the interiors on these trucks are so fragile, it was almost impossible not to take it apart without breaking anything.
It's a second gen.
It's a second gen.
Yeah, they all do that. Even the headliner was made out of fiberglass, so it was super hard to make it look really, really good.
No way. And they put like this thick foam.
Nonetheless, me, Brandon, and Jade were absolutely blown away by the quality of this interior. I don't even feel like you're sitting in a second gen. This is nicer than like a fifth gen's interior, you know?
If I was smart this morning, I'd have threw my truck on the trailer
and then brought it back.
Them.
Yeah, you ready to do another one? Or you want no more big trucks?
For me, it doesn't matter.
All right, go get your truck.
One just like this. It's just not a crew cab.
Do you like this color?
Yeah, I love the color.
Cab.
Let's get it.
How many trucks to do?
It doesn't matter. We can just drop them all off.
There's another my project sitting in the garage. We done.
Actually, yeah, you are doing my shorty. I have a short, like a low truck that I want to do the inside. It's a single cab. I'll have to pull up videos of what it looked like when we dropped it off. Insane difference. Honestly, I'm kind of blown away. I did not expect it to be that nice. That's like crazy. Very impressed. Headliner looks amazing. That at nighttime is gonna be wild. What, you like it?
Hell yeah.
Not too shabby? You got to see it before.
I know.
And it looked like a dog lived inside here. Yeah, it looks really nice. It's like King Ranch.
It looks so good.
It looks like a factory, like it should be that color, to be honest. It doesn't look too like gaudy.
Personality. I don't know, like matches your...
I'm brown, it's brown, same thing, yeah. Ivan does custom interiors for a living, so he had plenty of projects to show off in the garage.
It was the same color like yours before?
The tan?
Yeah.
Wow, that's an upgrade. Holy cow. It looks like a Mansory interior.
I don't want to touch it, but
That's so cool.
I touched it.
The satin carbon, that's sick. Ivan is a perfectionist when it comes to these interior jobs, so I was really surprised about the turnaround time when it comes to these interiors.
3 weeks, probably.
3 weeks?
Yeah,
that's not bad at all.
Yeah, because we wait while leather.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's what he was saying. He said materials just came in. See, I was expecting like the truck was going to be done by the time the material came in. It threw me off. But I went down to Florida, so then it worked out perfectly.
Yeah, sometimes he would say like they have in the stock.
They really don't.
No. they can sell. I mean, before we ordered, they can sell next day a couple of them.
Yeah.
And it was not enough, so we waited.
We were going to have to bring him a lot more trucks. and a car. Yeah, you're gonna be busy now. I hope we're gonna become very good friends. All right, you gotta put this on the trailer.
I just want to keep staring at it.
Honestly.
Like, I want to bring my truck here. Like, I'm about it, bro.
We got a clock spring to replace, so we get to stare at it in the garage for the next couple days, putting the clock spring back on. I don't even want to take that interior apart. Or just don't replace the clock spring.
I wouldn't replace it.
Don't replace it.
How important is the clock spring?
Depends on who you ask. If you ask me, I don't really care. If you ask like a normal person,
that
you should
ran out of gas
probably...
and
Yeah. You want to drive it or you want me to drive it?
You could drive it.
All right, bet.
It's your truck.
You want to go pull out the ramps?
Yep.
We also replaced the batteries on the 2G, so then we didn't have to spend 30 minutes cold starting it every single time I want to drive the truck now. They got the fake Urus and then the real Urus. You wish that was you, huh?
Yeah.
The matte black looks sick on this too. Oh, that one sounds nastier. Why does it sound like an old car? It smells. Think the tuning. That's a very Mike car. Actually kind of looks like something that CJ would drive. It's broken. You gotta lift it up. You gotta finesse it. Guy can't do.
Dude, does he not listen? Stop fucking moving. Oh my gosh.
Inside's too nice. I can't drive it anymore. It's gonna be a garage princess now. Can't look at it, can't sit in it, can't do anything actually. I'm gonna put it in the attic.
No.
So can you actually not drive it?
I'm gonna drive it every day.
You need to
the
put
gym.
gas in it, remember?
Need to put gas in it. Huge shout out to my buddy Brandon for picking up the truck, trailering it home, and making sure it got here in one piece, surprisingly, thank God. Also a huge shout out to my buddy Camille, aka Mike from Poland, for taking on this massive project, and honestly, I am blown away with how nice this interior is now. I'll link their socials in the description, so if you guys are interested in getting an interior done, if you live in the Chicagoland area, he did a freaking killer job. I honestly couldn't be happier. They did the door panels, front and rear, obviously. They did the full dash, so Alcantara on the top, fully wrapped in leather. Put all my switches back in the right places and everything. Wrapped the steering wheel in leather and Alcantara. Brand new suede headliner with stars. Brand new carpet, which is insane. Everything fits perfectly. It looks factory. And of course, the custom upholstered seats with leather on the side and Alcantara in the middle. Diamond stitched, actually no, hexagon stitched. The same exact style that you would find in like a Lamborghini Urus or a Huracan. As well as wrapping the sub box in like a felt material as well. Brand new seat belts, front and rear. I'm sure I'm missing something. Oh, they even wrapped the boost gauges and all the pillars in Alcantara as well. So much stuff. The attention to detail is insane. Every single inch of that interior is touched now. I don't think there's any factory anything inside there. Every piece of hardware and metal is all painted gloss black now, so it's literally perfect. Like, I think the interior in this truck now is nicer than the interior that came factory on the truck in 1997 or whenever whoever bought this truck brand new. This is way nicer, hands down, 100%. The quality of this truck is literally comparable to a brand new 5th gen. I personally would take the interior of this truck than a brand new limited 5th gen Cummins. That's like $100,000. So what did they whack me for? Everything out the door, turnkey ready, $15,000, including the brand new batteries that they just put inside the truck. Now this is my first custom interior. I know they basically didn't even make money off of me, like that was literally just parts and labor. I really didn't give them a budget. I kind of just said use the best of the best for everything. So in my opinion, 15K really isn't that bad. Considering that I'm the type of person to put tens of thousands of dollars into a motor just because it sounds cool. The interior should be very, very important to a lot of people because the interior is what you're sitting in every day. Yeah, you can look at a truck all day, every day, but when you're actually driving it, and I drive the crap out of my cars, interiors are very, very, very important to me. If I was to give it a rating, I'd give it a literal 10 out of 10. I couldn't ask for anything. No, 9.9 out of 10. I almost couldn't ask for anything more. I don't know what the amount of stars we put in the ceiling. I think we put like 1,000. I don't know if it's because it's a crew cab, but for some reason it's not enough. I wish I would have said 2,000. That would have probably probably raise the price from 15,000 to whatever thousand, but 9.9 out of 10. I'm very, very blown away. I honestly didn't expect the interior to be this freaking nice and this freaking perfect. Everything down to the leather stitching on the door panels is like, it's perfect. It couldn't be nicer. The color choice was immaculate, and I literally just like threw my freaking finger at a booklet and I was like, yeah, you know, that works. I'll just go with that. I've never seen anybody put like the hexagon style Alcantara stitching in a truck. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure this is about to be a trend now. So if you guys see it at a truck show, just know I was the first. I started the trend. The last thing to do inside there is now the sound system. It has 2 scars in the back. I think they're like 14s. And then the head unit has never worked in this truck since the day I bought it. So I'm gonna get a brand new head unit put in it, brand new subs, brand new door speakers all around, just refresh the whole audio system. And there's still the factory shift knob on the 6-speed because this truck is a manual. I'm going to do like a custom wood grain shift knob. I think that would just like add to the cowboy theme that's inside this truck right now. And also the boost gauges have to be hooked up, and I'm probably gonna get those glow shift gauges and maybe a custom dash. Maybe I'll do a digital dash, or we'll put like some color changing lights behind it just to make it absolutely perfect. But for now, very, very happy with how the interior turned out. Hope you guys liked it. As you guys know, this is like my dream show truck. I've wanted this truck since the first day I've seen it. So it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Comment down below what you guys want to see done next to the truck. Whatever the top comment is, we will make it happen. It already has compound turbos, makes a ton of horsepower, but we could throw triples on it. It's already big as hell, but you know, there's so much more we could still do to it. I also have never done a burnout in this truck yet, so we definitely have to do that soon as the weather's nice enough to take this truck outside. I don't know, maybe I'll go buy a bunch of junk cars and we'll crush them or something. Comment down below some ideas. Love to see what you guys come up with. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 1 million subscribers this year. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you, bye.
Way better than a Urus.
Yeah, that's sick. That is very cool. Dude, it sounds like a truck.
I know.
It's fucking sick.